Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question like this. Now as you can see over here, it says that Sophie had some cupcakes. Anything to write for sentence number one? No. Okay, so you want to move on to sentence number two, right? It says that she had 72 more chocolate cupcakes than red velvet. So CC and RV, we are going to show that chocolate is 72 more. Okay, so we are going to show that this is 72 more. And then for red velvet, it will be this much. Okay, so this much is basically 1 unit. All right, so we have 1 unit over here, 1 unit over here. Now, sentence number three, she had 36 fewer blueberries. So blueberry is fewer than what? Fewer than red velvet, right? So actually, I shouldn't have written this 1 unit over here because when I write that, I'm not able to split it into half. So I'm just going to do it this way. This is 36, and then we mirror image, and then this is also 36. Okay, then we can have all of this as 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Okay, now when I read sentence number 4, I realize that they say after selling 1/6 of the chocolate cupcakes. So from here itself, right, I know that this is a B and A question. Okay, this is a B and A question. Now, so if this is a B and A question, what we want to do is, of course, make sure we draw a table. All right, then we plug in whatever we know. Of course, we have chocolate cupcakes, we have red velvet, and we have blueberry. Okay, now what's my before for chocolate? I know it's 1 unit plus 36 plus 72, that gives me 108, right? So we are just going to write down 1 unit plus 108. Red velvet, 1 unit plus 36. Okay, blueberry, 1 unit. Okay, so I'm just going to look at sentence number 4. Okay, and sentence number 4 is super important, right? Because sentence number 4 tells us what is it that we need to do for the change for chocolate. So you can see that the change over here, it says 1/6 of the chocolate cupcakes. So what does it mean to say 1/6 of the chocolate cupcakes? 1/6 of means I multiply. The word of over here means I have to multiply, right? So 1/6 times what? Times 1 unit plus 108. Okay, so that's the first thing that you want to do. Okay, so once you're done with this, all right, make sure you learn how to do the rainbow method. Okay, so your rainbow method basically is this times this, then this times this. So over here, I will get to 1/6 units. What is 1/6 times 108? We'll get to an answer of 18. Okay, now, so once you're done with this, of course, what you want to do is to show your after for chocolate, right? Your after for chocolate will be 5/6 units, 108. Now, you remember this part is selling. Selling means I have to minus. So I'm just going to minus 108 minus 18. We get to an answer of 90. Okay, so that is for chocolate cupcakes. Do the same thing for red velvet. It says 2/3 of the red velvet. So what is the meaning of? The word of in math, it is always to multiply. Okay, so we are just going to do 2/3 times 1 unit plus 36. Okay, same thing, we are going to use the rainbow method. 2/3 times 1 unit, that gives me 2/3 unit. 2/3 times 2/3 times 36, that gives me 24. So same thing over here. All right, I sold 2/3 of the red velvet. So I sold 2/3 of the red velvet. I'm left with 1/3 units. 36 minus 24, I'll get to an answer of 12. And that is for red velvet. I'll do the same thing for blueberry. It says 7/9 of the blueberry. So we write 7/9 times 1 unit. All right, of, again, in math, it means to multiply. Okay, so 7/9 units. Over here, you get to 2/9 units. Okay, so this is what you'll get for the after. More importantly, we have sentence number 5, right? Sentence number 5 says that Sophie had 427 cupcakes left altogether. So 427 is over here. So what we can really do is simply just this, right? 5/6 units plus 90 plus 1/3 unit plus 12 plus 2/9 unit is equals to 427. Okay? Okay, now, so what you want to do now, of course, is you're going to same family seed together. Am I making sense here? Yeah. Right? So 5/6 units. So we are just going to press our calculator, right? So we are just going to do 5/6 plus 1/3 plus 2 over 9, we'll get to an answer of 25 over 18 units, okay? Then you do 90 and 12, 90 plus 12, we get to 102. This is actually equals to 427, okay? So 25 over 18 units is equals to, what are you going to do? You're going to bring the 102 over. So 427 minus 102, okay? 427 minus 102, you get 2325. So I'm going to continue from here. 25 over 18 units is actually equals to 325. Yes. Find 1 over 18. Learn how to find 1 over 18 units first. But may I just say this, that 1 over 18 is not my Mr. Green Man, okay? 1 over 18 is 1 out of 18 parts. Am I making sense here? So you want to find your Mr. Green Man, which is 18 out of 18 units. So 18 out of 18, we do 13 times 18. We get to 234. Mr. Greenman is out. Okay, Mr. Greenman is 1 unit. So what we want to do is the question say, how many chocolate cupcakes did Sophie sell? So chocolate cupcakes, as you can see over here, this is the one. Right, I will cast my eyes on this. Chocolate cupcake sold is 1 over 6 unit. So we need to find 1 over 6 unit. What exactly is 1 over 6 unit? We just make the denominator the same. That means they want us to find 3 over 18 units, right? So since I know 1 over 18 unit is 13, then 3 over 18 unit will basically be 39, right? But I'm not done with that because I've added another 18. So chocolate sold is basically 39 plus 18. When I do 39 plus 18, my answer will be 57. And this explains why your answer for this question has to be 57.